Beyond the Sword, The Legends of Aragorn. In the sprawling epic of J.R.R. Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings, Aragorn emerges as a central figure whose depth and complexity transcend his martial prowess. Known also as Strider, the Ranger from the North, and eventually as King Elessar Telcontar of Gondor and Orna, his story weaves through the fabric of Middle-earth's history, embodying themes of sacrifice, leadership, and the power of legacy. Aragorn's journey from the shadows as a ranger to his crowning as the King of Gondor encapsulates not just a personal quest for identity and purpose, but also a unifying mission for the peoples of Middle-earth. Unlike heroes who are celebrated solely for their feats in battle, Aragorn's legacy is intricately tied to his moral compass, his willingness to serve rather than rule, and his profound respect for all living beings, irrespective of their race or status. His lineage, as the last of the Númenóreans and the heir of Isildur, sets him apart, imbuing him with a sense of destiny and duty. Yet, it is Aragorn's choices, driven by wisdom and humility, that define his path. His decision to join the Fellowship of the Ring, a perilous venture aimed at the destruction of Sauron's power, highlights his commitment to the collective well-being over personal gain or glory. Aragorn's leadership is further exemplified in the Battle of Helm's Deep and the March to the Black Gate, where his strategies and courage inspire hope and bravery in the hearts of his allies. However, his true strength lies in his capacity for compassion and empathy. His interactions with Eowyn, a shield maiden of Rohan, reveal his deep understanding and kindness, guiding her towards her own path of healing and self-discovery. Perhaps one of the most poignant aspects of Aragorn's character is his relationship with Arwen Evenstar, a union that symbolizes the reconciliation of long-divided kinships and the hope for a harmonious future. Their love story, fraught with the specter of mortality and the sacrifice of immortal grace, adds a layer of emotional depth to Aragorn's character, showcasing his vulnerability and the personal stakes he bears in the fight against darkness. Aragorn's ascension to the throne is not merely a fulfillment of prophecy, but a testament to his ability to bridge divides and heal the scars of war. His reign marks the beginning of a new era, one where the races of Middle-earth coexist in peace and mutual respect. Under his rule, Gondor and Orna are restored, and the lands ravaged by war begin to flourish once more, symbolizing the restoration of balance and harmony. In Tolkien's narrative, Aragorn embodies the archetypal hero, yet his legend is nuanced by his reluctance to claim power and his recognition of the importance of unity, healing, and stewardship. Beyond his role as a warrior, he is a healer, both in a literal and metaphorical sense, using his knowledge of herbs and his compassionate leadership to mend bodies and spirits alike. Aragorn's story, rich in valor and virtue, serves as a reminder that true heroism is multifaceted, rooted not only in the strength to confront adversaries, but in the courage to forge connections, the wisdom to govern with justice and mercy, and the vision to cultivate a legacy that endures through the ages. His tale, etched into the history of Middle-earth, continues to inspire as a beacon of hope, resilience, and the indomitable spirit of humanity. In conclusion, the legends of Aragorn extend beyond his skill with a sword to encompass a journey of growth, sacrifice, and unity. His narrative arc from a mysterious ranger to a revered king captures the essence of Tolkien's world, a realm where courage, love, and a commitment to the greater good triumph over darkness and despair. Through Aragorn, Tolkien explores the complexities of heroism, leadership, and the enduring power of hope, leaving a legacy that resonates deeply with the human spirit.